Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer your money from Fab app to any bank. So guys, what you have to do, the first step, open the app and your Fab and click on transfer. After that, click add beneficiary and click with the UAE, transfer with UAE option after open your app. And from here guys, what you have to do, just click on transfer and select your account you want to transfer and choose the amount here. And after that guys, what you have to do, select the transfer account and the amount of transfer. After that guys, click on agree on term and condition to transfer amount and click confirm, and you will transfer money in your any bank easily without any problem. So guys, what you have to do, just click this option, transfer on your app, and then click within UAE. After that, click your transfer and account, write your account you want to transfer. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.